All right, we're going to start this off with some grated coconut. This is unsweetened. And then we're going to come in with a metric ton of the solid diabetes.
Yesterday, diabetes seemed so far away. Now my doctor says it's here to stay.
Followed up with the liquid diabetes in terms of the molasses. And we're just going to get all that good stuff out of there. Perfect. And the last ingredient we're putting in, it says is 5 drops of lemon juice. So here is my best estimate of 5 drops of lemon juice. We're going to turn this on to medium heat. We're going to stir and mix it through until it all becomes like a taffy. And we'll tune you back in when we get to that point. Okay, so the recipe says to just drop individual portions on a greased sheet, and that's what we're going to try to do. The scary part is the recipe said if you want individual portions, spoon it on a sheet. Otherwise, put it in a bowl. So I'm not sure who's eating this straight out of a bowl, but Wilford Brimley would be super proud of you. All right, so we're back to the book Cuban Flavor, another recipe, coconut sweetmeat. Now, traditionally, what I've looked up is this would be more like a fudge with fresh coconut, and you make it in a square, make it into a large square, and then cut it into squares like you would. Because we use dried grated coconut, it's a bit more dry. And yeah, it kind of has that haystack kind of look to it. Very dense. Not as sweet as I thought it was going to be, but it's more molasses than it is coconut. So if you like molasses cookies, this is definitely for you. But yeah, nice little sweet treat. Super easy to make. So yeah, so far, Cuban Flavor, we've got 2 down. It's been a successful book. Link to buy it will be in the playlist comments. The book is very hard to find. So I think there's only used copies on the market still. Anyway, enjoy.